Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday and you're all having a great week. Well, today we're going to be starting, it says round 4 seasons spring. So that is what we are starting. I know it's not spring, I know it's summer, but this is what we got to work with. So I'm going to be starting down here in these red, I'm assuming they're poppies, but, you know, they're kind of animated looking, so they just look like red flowers. How's that? And I got my little puppy dog today. I thought, why not? He was right there. And the color is 606. It's that orangish red. So, yeah. So, how are we doing? Let me pull you in so you can see what is going on. Yeah. I am so glad that it is Wednesday. Yesterday, it looked like rain the whole time I was there. It sprinkled just a couple of times. And then, about 8 o'clock, it just started raining in earnest. It wasn't pouring down, but it was pretty steady rain. And yeah, it did that all night long. I came home and had a bowl of ramen. I was kind of chilled to the bone, and of course I had to have my cup of tea, but that just sounded nice and warm. I didn't feel like having the chili again. That was a bit much in the middle of summer, but it is what it is, so I'll eat the rest of it probably on my day off. Yeah, what I really wanted was some chicken mushroom and wild rice soup that I have. I don't know if I even have some, but I ran into the chili first, so that got volunteered for Monday night, but yeah, last night it was definitely a ramen night. So, yeah, it was nice and comforting, if you will. Every once in a while, I've got to have ramen. And I usually get the beef flavored because it feels like it's got a little more to it, but yeah. I worked on a little bit on my sashiko, my dragon sashiko. Got some more into it. And I worked on that harvest one. It's going to be the harvest one because I can't remember harvest and fall or whatever it's called. You know what I mean. Oh, and I do have this going sideways just because it's easier to see. I say that and then I can't get this stupid needle in there. I'm telling you. Yep. But it wasn't too bad at work because it was kind of cloudy and gray and wasn't a sunshiny day at all. I don't even think it hit 65 degrees yesterday. And last night it was about 50-something when I came home. And of course I left the air conditioner running, so that was awesome. So yeah, I got into my fleece pants and my hoodie and just sat down and did not too much of anything. My brain's kind of fried from this week. It's been off again, on again. And the internet was acting up, so yeah. I guess the internet, the phone, if you will. I don't know what's going on. But I wish they'd figure it out. It was kind of like Monday, but not as bad. You know, every person that came up to the counter didn't take 10 minutes. Like Monday. Holy cow, that was a mess. Sheesh. It only made the day twice as long. So, yeah, let's hope today just flies by and I can come home. Yeah. Because it is what it is, what it is. I think it's supposed to rain again today. So, who knows? We got this little jag going, so I don't know when the rain will actually quit. It said that we were supposed to have rain yesterday, and like I said, it didn't do no more than sprinkle until 8 o'clock, and then it just opened up. Slept like a log, though, I'll tell you. I usually do when it rains. I'm even better with thunder and lightning storms. Just crash like a rock. Always been that way. I guess because I was raised in the Midwest, so to speak. They have wonderful thunder and lightning storms. I don't want to be out in them, but they are nice. When I lived in Kansas, we'd turn off the lights and just sit there and listen to the thunder and lightning and the lightning flashing here and there and everywhere. Yeah. We'd rather do that than watch TV. So, till it was time to get in the truck and drive 20 miles in the opposite direction if we had a tornado warning. That wasn't fun. But, yeah. Or we'd get a Coke and get in the truck and go sit up on the hill, and I know, bad place to be, but it was far off, but you could watch it for miles. So, yeah. It was a cheap pastime, let me tell you. But we were easily entertained. You know, once you stitch this color, it turns really orange. I've had this orange before in several of the cross stitches that I've been doing. Yep, time to put the thimble on. So what is everybody else working on? Are you working on something fun? I hope so. Something to occupy your brains. Because sometimes we just need that. If anybody has any projects they're working on or anything they've finished, does not have to just be cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you're into. You can always send me a picture to my email address, and it's in the description below. And whoops, I thought that was a longer thread. I'll get it into the next Stitch With Me as soon as I possibly can. It won't be in any review videos, but in the Stitch With Me's I will. We have a lot of those. It's nice to sit there and just stitch and feel like you're talking to somebody. Because the cat does not talk much. The other day when I was stitching, she sat in that rocking chair the whole time I was in the front room. Just sat there. Either sleeping or looking out the window. She kind of likes the window open. She keeps hoping for birds, but I think they've gone, you know, off to greener pastures, I would say, you know, to find other things to eat other than that seed that I have out there. But they're sure liking it in the winter, but not so much in the summer. Every once in a while we'll get a bird or two on that bird feeder, but not a whole bunch. Oh, I got one more right there I want to get. Yep, it is. I couldn't tell if it was a half black one or what it was. So no grand plans for this weekend that I know of. And especially if the weather isn't nice, it wouldn't be too nice to go out and tromp around in the woods. Oh, I gotta have my thing here. So we'll see what comes along and what transpires. Probably try to keep working on the harvest one, because it's going just fine. Kind of like that one. Just like the colors. No grand plans for what I'm having to eat this weekend either. Haven't figured on the flavor of the weekend. Nothing is jumped up in my brain. That I haven't had in a long time. I'm a little sick of liver and onions. It seems like I've had that. What else? Don't want any burritos or, what do you call them, nachos or anything like that. I went to have a salad with that. I fixed pork steak somewhere along the line. I think it was Sunday. I'm not too sure. I can't remember. And yeah, the lettuce was bad. So I cut up the rest of the tomato and had tomato and onions smothered in ranch dressing. It was okay, but I really wanted that salad, and I wasn't going out to go get anything, because there's always a bunch of people on Sunday. So we'll see. Something will come up that I haven't had in a hot moment. And of course there's two yellows in this thing. The darker, it's more like a yellow, what is that? Yellow orange, if you will. It's got a little more orange to it than just yellow. So, and it's a green color, so I knew it did not go down here at all. So, we'll see. But I just wanted to start with the flowers today. Didn't feel like doing half cross stitch or not back stitch, or the sky. So this is where we landed, on the flowers. I don't know if this has, no 550 purple. There's a purple flower along there somewhere. It may be blue, for all I know. You know how when you get these things, sometimes things are more purple than blue, or more blue than purple. Yeah, it happens all the time. So, but I couldn't remember if it had 550 purple in it or not. I don't remember, but I looked and it wasn't there. We had 543, but no 550 purple. And this is a nice size, so we'll see how far we can get with this. If we make any progress. But I wanted to start one of them, but I didn't want to start winter or autumn. So I put those away until winter and autumn. And we'll have something to have a new start with. And I've got those other ones. Are they? Yeah, they're seasons. The ones that are skinny pictures. I don't know where I put that other one that I had started, the one with the mouse. I call it a mouse. It's probably something else other than a mouse. But yeah, so I have all 4 of those seasons. So yeah, we'll have lots to start. We just keep accumulating. It got stuck on the dog over here. So, we'll see. this yellow. Oh yeah, that's just, I was going to say this yellow went on and on forever, but I went in the wrong square. Did you see that? Let's just go over 2. It'll go a lot faster if you go over 2, right? Yeah, that probably won't work out really well. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I think that is going to be about it for today. Get this put down through there, and then I'll flip it around. Let me anchor that needle. There we go. And there's another shade of red in that. I can't begin to tell you. Maybe I can. 543. Never heard of it. Come on, get out there. So yeah, it just kind of goes along here and then stops. And then you've got that different color yellow I was talking about. It's green, so it's in the trees and the grass right there. All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.